So today what we're going to talk about is how to do a simple core exercise for your kiddos if your kiddo has been diagnosed with any low tone, or they are just maybe not progressing as fast as their peers or whatnot. You just want to work on core strengthening even for a healthy baby. This is great. Since I don't have a baby, I'm going to use my parents' dog. So what you're going to do, and now if you're worried about anything, definitely have your kiddo checked out by a doctor. You're going to lay on your stomach or on your back. You're just going to stick your baby up here. Now, if your baby can, my baby doesn't want to sit up. If your baby can hold themselves up with their arms, that's great. If not, definitely hold them by their pelvis. And you're just going to tilt your body over. Now you see Nitty. Say hi, Nitty. Hi, Nitty. I know you're kind of scared. You're like, I don't know what's going on. And you can kind of come up like this a little bit. So, come on, Nitty. You got to sit up, friend. Okay, and then just kind of tilt your pelvis over. And tilt your pelvis over. And you'll see Nitty. She'll kind of fight me. So if I tilt her to the left, she's going to try to escape is what she's going to do. She's going to try to stay upright, and she kind of fights me. So if I go to the left, if I go to my left, she's going to my right. And then if I go to my right, she's going to my left. And tilt. And tilt is hard, huh, baby girl? Is it kind of hard? Is this kind of hard? Is your belly getting tired? And I would just do this for a couple minutes until the baby either starts to lose its form, so it's kind of falling over more often, or it starts crying. It's not so happy with you. You can give it a break and give it lots of love. So that is something I would do for a couple of minutes, and you can just strengthen your baby's core. And shoot me a comment below if you find this helpful. If you'd like me to do more videos on babies and how to strengthen. I probably won't have a dog because I'm at my parents' house now and I don't have a doggy at home, but I may be able to come up with something else.